Hello. My little Bob.
Hello, Bob. What do you have for us today?
Well, I could lick my butt.
Cool. Can we see?
Sure.
Cool. Oh, that was hurt. Does that hurt at all?
Nope, watch, I can do it again.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm good.
Nope. So what are you having for breakfast here?
Frosted Flakes.
You like Frosted Flakes?
Yeah, they're sweet and delicious.
Well, you might as well eat them because it's breakfast time.
Not really. Well,
Those look yummy.
I better get going. My lady's gonna be mad at me if I don't get to work on time. Goodbye.
Bye, Bob.